Page 182, number 16. Determine if the function is a monomial function. For those that are, state the degree and the leading coefficient. For those that aren't, explain why. So the equation that's given for number 16 is A equals LW. So area equals length times width. So this is a monomial function, so we'll say yes. And the reason why is that they told us in the directions, which I didn't write down, that we are given that L and pi are constants, which I didn't write down in my part. So we have an L here, so that's going to be our leading coefficient. So our degree is going to be the exponent of the W, which is 1, and the leading coefficient, as I've already said, is L.